Okay, so the first rule is called the product rule. Go ahead and write a 1. And we're going to do x to the a times x to the b. Notice these have the same base, which is x. And what I'm going to do is, since we're multiplying the bases, we're going to add the exponents. So on the top, I'm going to get a plus b. So that's my first exponent rule. Now my second one, we're going to go ahead and divide the bases, and we'll see what we get. So I'm going to have x to the a on top, and I'm going to have x to the b on the bottom. So in this case, we're doing the opposite of multiplying, we're dividing. I'm going to do a minus b. All right, third rule. This is going to be a power to a power rule. So inside the parentheses, I'm going to have x to the a. And what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to take this whole thing to the b power. And when I do that, instead of adding or subtracting the exponents, I'm going to multiply them together. So I get a times b. Now I don't really need that little dot there, but that just means multiply.
I thought, let's say that's like a number, b is a number.
Mm-hmm.
Right? I thought it would go to the x. I don't know if it's a whole number, you then add
If it's just two exponents, like this is 2 and this is 3, you would get x to the 2 times 3, which is 6.
oh, so the whole number stays the same.
Yeah, we'll do a couple examples like that.
Um,
Now my last one is the negative exponent rule. What if I have x to the negative a? What's going to happen is this a that's negative is going to go to the bottom as a positive with a 1 on top. All right. But what if I have a negative exponent that's already on the bottom? Let me show you this. 1 over x to the negative a. So this time, instead of being on top, it's on the bottom now. All that happens is the x to the whatever goes to the top, and it's now going to be a positive. So this is x to the positive a on top. Okay, so those are my exponent rules. Go ahead and get them in your notes, and we will talk about some examples.